If you ever find yourself in a situation where someone is about to attack you and there's no way to avoid it, the smartest move is simple. Strike first. The techniques shown in this video are demonstrated by international martial arts instructors and are not meant to promote violence, but to educate about self-defense. Do not attempt the techniques you see at home without the supervision of qualified instructors and proper protective gear. Sometimes we might find ourselves in a situation where, if we judge that a fight is unavoidable, it's better to strike first. One approach shown in training is to control an opponent's arm with one hand while using the other to deliver a measured counter-strike. Any strike should be controlled and proportionate. Controlling a limb can reduce the opponent's ability to defend on that side and create an opening, which may give you an advantage. One way to defend yourself in a confined space if an attacker grabs your neck or clothing is a double straight line strike. When properly aimed, it can help stop the attacker from continuing their assault. A double straight line strike is performed by raising your hands to chest level, then using both hands to drive straight into the opponent's chest and solar plexus. That strike, if the situation allows, can be delivered several times in a row. One way to defend yourself in a confined space is a double strike aimed at the attacker's ears. That strike must be measured because it can cause serious injury, and it's not recommended to perform or practice it without protective equipment. A possible defensive action involves making a circular motion around the attacker's arms, followed by a measured palm strike aimed toward the ear area. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate the strike. It's effective even at very close range. Simplicity, a core principle taught by Jeet Kune and Wing Chun, shows us that a simple sudden strike can effectively defend us even against aggressive, well-trained attackers. By keeping things uncomplicated, we create the opportunity to strike. If an attacker is holding your hands behind your back, a simple strike to the groin can solve the problem. If you try to disarm someone, we don't recommend doing it unless you're trained to perfection. The hand is a dangerous weapon and can strike from any angle, even when we're at a disadvantage. In street fights, strikes are usually unpredictable, and you can expect attacks from all sorts of angles. If you don't attack first, focus on defense. Try not to get hit, strike before they strike you. In the next videos, we'll break down and show techniques that actually work in real situations. We shouldn't see any self-defense technique as a strict rule. Fighting, even in self-defense, is a process. If we memorize techniques like fixed patterns, that can be dangerous. It's better to see them as options, because the technique you use always depends on the situation, and every situation is different. Any kind of fighting has to work as a process. It needs to be fluid. We cut out everything unnecessary and use only what really works. One really effective technique for freeing the hand is to keep it simple and finish with a strike. You do it by turning your palm upward, then with your other hand, strike the opponent's arm hard while you attack at the same time. Watch out for untrained attackers. Their attacks are unpredictable and can come at you from any direction. Untrained attackers' moves aren't in any book. The way they attack is truly unpredictable. Before you engage in a physical confrontation, take a moment to assess your opponent, their distance, balance, and intent. Always avoid physical conflict if you can, especially if the attacker is armed. In that case, do everything you can to get away without fighting. If there really is no way to avoid it, then strike first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.